Hello friends, how are you doing? In a previous video I have shown you that how can we use an old or new mud pot to preserve our vegetables and fruits naturally without using a fridge. So now I have moved one step further and I have cut it down the mud pot from here. I have watched a YouTube video showing how we can cut down a mud pot safely. So now you can see there is quite a good opening and we can put our vegetables and fruit fresh for at least 2 to 3 days. And you can see I have purchased this medicine I have purchased these vegetables one day ago and still they are quite fresh. Here you can see they are quite fresh, and you can watch my previous video to understand the full process, how can we put all these things there and preserve it for several days without using a fridge. You can say we all of us have fridge and why we need these things, but this is a natural way and we can save our environment using natural methods, and we can tell this to the people who cannot afford fridge, who are our servants or who are our lower staff member. We can tell them who cannot afford to buy a fridge, we can tell them how they can preserve these things. So here we can put a cloth over it and we can put another clay pot in this way. I have prepared this clay pot also. You can see it was leaking and I have watched a YouTube video how we can repair a broken mud pot. I have applied cement over it and you can see it is not leaking at all. Here you can see how I repaired it, and if all of you people say and comment below this video, I will show you in which process I have cut down my mud pot or repaired this clay pot also. So please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues so they can help their lower staff, office staff or housemates who cannot afford fridge, and they can keep their fruits and vegetables fresh for several days. Hope all of you like this video. Please share it, like it and follow me or subscribe me on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.